Sa CHED, meron kaming what we call the online distance education, ODEL ang tawag doon. We have an intact policy and guidelines. There are some procedures and requirements for a university to apply so that they will be recognized and credited as a school who can deliver pure distance learning. The Open University in the University of the Philippines is an institution na talagang they have proven their track record that they are capable of doing so. Now, yung question po na maraming transition from classroom to pure online, nangyari na po yan nung pandemic natin. That's why we have a CMO allowing higher education institution, both private and government, na yung CMO namin noon is kung private ka, pwede kang mag-offer ng 50% online, and then 50% will be face-to-face. University, sa government-funded university, 75 face-to-face, 25 online. But with the crisis that it's a different pandemic that we are facing now. That's why we just approved yesterday that we are giving the full flexibility of all higher education institutions to adhere to the previously issued COVID-19 pandemic CMO. But on top of that, depending on their perceived readiness to offer the pure online, sila na yung magde-determine. But it does not necessarily mean that they offer now 100% online learning and teaching and learning management system, ay hindi ibig sabihin na automatic na certified na sila for the ODEL program. This is just a step-gap mechanism to address the crisis on transportation, electricity costs, and so on.
So basically, ma'am, parang kumbaga you're encouraging then the schools to transition nga sa online class kasi nga ganito yung situation.
Yeah, we are encouraging them for now, but it should not sacrifice the intended outcome of the program. But this is just a step-gap. If they want after this crisis or even within the crisis, if they see it more fitting for them to transform into online, we have a set of guidelines na na-issue na on the ODEL.